Good day everyone, I am Rowelyn Gocon and I am going to present my instructional model which is entitled Fundamental Counting Principle. So, Fundamental Counting Principle, it is the total possible outcomes for each individual event that are found by multiplying the number of outcomes or options for each event. So in fundamental counting principle has 3 step-by-step process to be expressed. So the first one, determining the events. The second one, determining the number of options for each event. And the last one, multiplying the number of options for each event to determine the number of possible outcomes. So as you can see, I have here a spin the wheel. So spin the wheel that have a number. So as what I have said earlier, that fundamental counting principle, it is the total possible outcomes in which you can found by multiplying the number of outcomes or options. So as you can see, I have here a 3 spin the wheel, which is represent as the event, and those numbers represent as the options or outcomes. So like for example, in real life situation, so in your breakfast, suppose you're given a chance to choose kung unsa ang imuang kaunon for breakfast. Like for example, the first wheel will represent as the main dishes. The second wheel will represent as drinks, and the last wheel will represent as the dessert. So the main dishes, drinks, and desserts are called events, while those numbers in the wheel will represent as the options. So what you are going to do is to follow the 3 step process in fundamental counting principle. So the first one is to determining the event. So in our example, the event here is the main dishes, drinks, and the dessert. So the second step is determining the options for each event. So in our example, we have 10 options for main dishes, 10 options for drinks, and also 10 options for dessert. So the last step, we're going to multiply the number of options for each event to determine the number of possible outcomes. So for main dishes, we're going main dishes, drinks, and the dessert. So we will going to multiply the 3 options. So for the main dishes have a 10 options, so we will multiply the main dishes, drinks, and the dessert. So 10 times 10 times 10 is equal to 1,000. So for main dishes, for drinks, and for dessert has a 1,000 possible outcomes. So that's all. Thank you.